So I got me a new book. This one, brand new, teaches you how to make flowers. And so I was like, okay, I want to practice this. And I didn't know that there was a section in here at the back where you get to practice on your own. So I didn't see that part yet. I just saw the first part. And so I thought, well, I'm going to make my own book, my own sketchbook. So I bound it and I did the, I don't know if you can see that, I did the book binding here. And when you open it up, it lays flat. And when you turn the page, that's flat. And every page sits nice and flat, so there's no bulging or anything like that. And I think how many of these did I do? I did signatures. I did 6 signatures, and then in each signature there's 5 pieces of paper. So it's basically 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper, and I just folded them in half. And each little section here, if you will, sort of like this little section here, if you can see, there's 5 solid pieces of paper folded in half. And then you get, instead of just 5 pages, you get 10 pages. So there's 6 of these, I think. I have to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So there's actually 60 pages in here, which is great. Anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I've been a little bit creative today. Have a great weekend. Bye.